What if just 30 minutes of walking and simple exercise every day for 1 month could quietly rebuild your body from the inside out, without you even realizing it first? On day 1, your heart begins adapting, pumping blood with less effort while oxygen reaches your organs faster. Your lungs open deeper, your circulation improves, and stiff muscles slowly awaken. Within the first week, blood sugar levels stabilize, digestion becomes smoother, and your body starts choosing fat for energy instead of storing it. As days turn into weeks, your metabolism accelerates, inflammation reduces, and joints move with less pain. Inside your brain, stress hormones like cortisol drop, while dopamine and serotonin rise, improving mood, focus, and mental clarity. Sleep becomes deeper, recovery becomes faster, and your immune system strengthens silently in the background. By week 3, posture improves, endurance increases, and daily tasks feel easier. By day 30, your heart beats stronger, your muscles feel firmer, your breathing feels lighter, and your mind feels calmer and sharper. You're not just exercising, you're training your nervous system, rewiring your brain, and restoring your body's natural balance. This isn't motivation. This is human biology responding to movement. One habit, 1 month, a completely transformed body. For more powerful health and science-backed videos like this, subscribe to Health Hub.